Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to close your PrimeXBT account safely. If you're done trading or want to take a break, closing off your PrimeXBT account safely ensures your funds and personal data are secure. First of all, launch open the PrimeXBT application on your device and log in. From the homepage of PrimeXBT, go ahead and tap on your profile picture or your profile icon at the top left corner. From your profile section, go ahead and tap on your username or your email at the top of the screen. On the next page where it says personal details, go to the bottom and look for delete account button. But before proceeding to delete your account, make sure that you've withdrawn all remaining funds or other assets to your external wallet or bank account. Confirm that your balance is zero in your PrimeXBT account and you have also cancelled all opening positions and orders. Once you've done that, you can then click on the delete account button from this page and click on next. Follow through the on-screen instructions and then you'll need to send in this message over here. Tap the arrow button and you'll be talking with this PrimeXBT support team. After you do that, you can then follow through the prompts and then select any one region while you are trying to delete the account. It'll ask you to request for account deletion via email. So go ahead and select the email that is displayed and it will take you to your email service provider application. Now you can go ahead and write down delete account in the subject field. Compose an email requesting that you'd like to delete the account. You can write down in details about the deletion of the account. And finally send in the email by tapping the send button at the top right. And you'll then be able to proceed with your account deletion process. You'll then be replied via email about your account deletion status. So that's the process on how you can close or delete your PrimeXBT account quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.